Then I said, how I can be outstanding? No matter how tough I make the movie, I have to be outstanding. Okay. Somehow I met the director called Yuen Wo Ping. He wanted me to do the Snake in Eagle Shadow. I said, okay, let's do something different. Comedy. Change the whole thing. Okay, how? Everybody sleep. We stay in the hotel to discuss all the things. Okay, do a snake. No more. We do more Chinese traditional movement. Okay, then we make the first movie. Boom! Big success.